Today we are on the 53-foot 1973 Hatteras Motor Yacht named About Time. This is a very well maintained Hatteras. Teak is all in fantastic shape. Eisinglass and canvas have been replaced over the last couple of years. That is access to the upper helm. That is into the main salon. Two beautiful wing doors. Again, all the teak has been very well maintained. Burnish has been kept up. No damage on any of it. That is to the forward deck. Here we also have a nice wet bar with a sink, refrigerator, wine rack, glass holder, and the water maker aboard is split so that the water that comes to this sink is potable, extra filtered. There's the other door. Then we go forward into the main salon. Headliner is in fantastic shape throughout the entire boat. Again, woodwork, teak work is in impeccable condition. There are shades for these windows. The leather couch does open into a hide-a-bed. Nice entertainment center. It is wired for dish satellite. There is a fireplace if doing the Great Loop. It does act as a heater, although the boat does have central heat and AC. This is the lower helm station. Access to galley and berths below. Doors. Electronics are all Ray Marine, have been upgraded over the last several years. All integrated. The boat does have NIAD stabilizers and bow and stern thrusters. So there's been a lot of mechanical and electronic updates to this boat, even though she's 1973. She has a lot of modern amenities. This is, again, 1973 53-foot Hatteras Motor Yacht, About Time.